So one great tip for getting the most out from the list is to use effects to kind of subtle transition individual sounds within an arrangement, especially in house music when you have that kind of endless hypnotic feel. You still want the arrangement to evolve through time, so let's see how you can do it. So here I have this pluck, and we can just use like a bit of reverb and a bit of filter to kind of make one single sound transition from one section to the other without having to add other like sound effects, etc. This thing alone can do like a lot of work. Let's listen to it. Now let's solo it, let's listen to it again. So that's basically it. It works great with reverb. You can use delay too, you can use filters. You can also try with distortion. It's a bit more aggressive, but I mean, you get the sense. You just have to make things evolve from one section to the other. You don't really have, but I mean, it's a nice plus, and it makes things interesting with very minimum effort. You don't have to overcrowd the production. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next one.